The Jamaica Information Service, JIS staff, accompanied by relatives and friends, arrived at the Mount Olivet Boys' Home to the warm greeting of a group of eager children in August. It was the ideal weather for this annual visit to the home for back-to-school prep and career day. The JIS has been organizing and sponsoring activities like this for just about 10 years. The team from Kingston made the trip with lots of goodies for the new school year, as well as other general supplies needed by the home. All hands were at work as the many boxes of supplies had to be unloaded and carried uphill along a narrow driveway, the lighter ones by hand and the heavier ones by car. Also attending for the day's activities were career professionals such as police officers, firefighters, scientists, dentists, barbers, musicians, and of course, journalists from the JIS.
As an agency, we felt that it was necessary to become involved in our community. And corporate social responsibility is very key to all of us here as a core value. And usually we talk about giving back and paying it forward.
As activities proceeded on the day, the boys took turns going to get free haircuts provided by barbers from Hart School of Beauty Services, who were on board for the second time around.
Mount Olivet Boys Home is the place of choice for boys in state care. Everybody wants to come here. And this didn't happen as an accident. It happened because we have people like the GIS staff who are so committed.
The director of the boys' home says the support over the years has reaped academic success, with some of its wards heading to tertiary institutions this school term, some with passes in excess of 76 subjects.
Last count, it was 10 boys who were placed between 1st and 10th in their school in the last exam. So JIS, I want you to understand that you're present at Mount Olivet and your commitment, it is paying off.
And for those of you who want a little souvenir of your fingerprints, you can always check me later.
It was an exciting Career Day 2019 as scientist Daniel Gillings grabbed everyone's attention with his display of how a volcano works. A presentation on photography by our own Michael Slowly was no less intriguing. Similarly, the president of the Jamaica Dental Association was inspirational.
A couple of years ago, I was just like any one of you, going through the system, poor family background, and I realized early, as a result of similar talk of this nature, that you can achieve just about anything at all that you want to achieve.
A road safety expert also had encouraging words for the young wards.
Anybody tell you anything come easy is lie, them telling, lie. You have to beat those books, take the books, night and day. Know something that somebody else don't know.
One stripe, that means Lance Corporal.
The firemen present were eager to show us their display of the many ranks in the field and what the different badges and stripes mean, as they explained their duties and the benefits of the job. Ending the career aspect of things was drummer Leon Campbell, who generously passed on his skill and knowledge to the boys in an entertaining engagement.
It's a great career as a musician, and it's a great opportunity to see the world. The pay scale varies. You get paid to play for an hour. Sometimes the pay you get to play for an hour is what some people work for a month.
Every one of the speakers did marvelously as they presented on their own career and of course gave a little bit of their background and really got the boys inspired.
One of the happiest moments of the day for the approximately 50 boys and young men was the presentation of gifts. There were cards for those who celebrated birthdays in the months of May to August, cutting of the birthday cake, as well as individual gifts from staff members. After adopting the home in 2019 as its main corporate responsibility project, staff of the JIS and other partners have been visiting the home at least 3 times per year with financial and physical assistance and mentorship.
It's always said boys are marginalized, and we really wanted to empower them. And we really want to commend the administrators of the home for working so well with us over the years to ensure that our contributions continue to be very meaningful.
Every visit is always a long, busy day, and that includes taking a break to fuel and re-energize with some sumptuous meals, which staff and volunteers pitched in to prepare and share. All the effort wouldn't be that fruitful, however, without the corporate support from other dedicated partners. On board this time, we had the old and the new. The JIS will continue to share the love and give back. The next major visit to the Mount Olivet Boys Home is set for mid-December. Find out how you can join in and donate. Contact the Jamaica Information Service at 58A Halfway Tree Road, Kingston 10. Call 876-926-3590, extensions 2132 or 2137.